So what we are going to do today is to gRPC web based gRPC web client that can talk to our gRPC server. So our gRPC server is along with an Envoy sidecar, and it's running in a Kubernetes cluster. That we can show you that. kubectl So this is the gRPC environment. It has two ports in. Sorry, one port and two containers in that. See that one is an Envoy side that is listening on port 8080, and the basically our gRPC that is listening on port 5005. So all this configuration of the gRPC server, Envoy and all is in a different repo. Go gRPC 2022. So here I have mentioned all the details here. Suppose you want to save the Envoy sidecar configuration, you can see that it is listening on 80 and forwarding gRPC traffic to 051. That is our container where the server is running, and the gRPC server code is here. Here. Go code. Also the client is here. But today will be there is also a TS client I have put here, but today will be based client. So it will look something like this. So you will have a simple and a service. And when you click a button, it should go to the it should be able to track our service, get some data and list it actually. So earlier, so this is the setup. So earlier, what we usually used to do that the users do not talk to gRPC protocol. So we used to have a front end for back end, a REST converter actually. So this talks gRPC, converts it to REST, and REST clients, all web browsers, JavaScript talk where. So this was the older way of doing it. So this time this gRPC web. Now two gRPC web projects from Google and one from Improbable Engine. So we're going to use the Google's web actually, gRPC web, this one. So we won't be using the REST here, directly talking gRPC. So that what has to be done is the TypeScript or JavaScript Angular client here. Let's put it as Angular client. Has to have libraries that will decode the gRPC to a protocol that the browsers understand. So that's what the gRPC web does. So before we let's understand a little bit about Angular. So I'm also new in Angular. So basically we will be doing only two parts of Angular actually. One is defining a component and component. So component define views. basically the view which has HTML and stuff like that. The component uses services. Services are provides functionality to the component. So we'll be following that model here. Okay, so this is an empty project.